dark brown eyes and smoothness. She has her face shape is round and chubby cheeks. She has tan skin and wears glasses. Anyway, she also likes pink and gold. She is kind and beautiful. She always talks loud with me and makes me laugh with her jokes. Thank you.
Hello, I will take you introduce my Cherry. Her name is Destia Putriandini. I call her Destia. She is 15 years old. She likes to talk to me and make me laugh. She is of average height. She has a petite figure. She has a dark golden brown hair but covered by her hijab. She has a snub nose. She has dark brown eyes. She has fair skin. Also, she has her kind and beautiful soul always made me laugh. Her cheerful personality consistently brightens my day. Thank you.